Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're pregnant during the summer months, you're gonna wanna get yourself some maternity biker shorts. These are from Enerful, and they are so comfy. I have to say my favorite thing is that there are pockets on both sides, which is so convenient, especially for carrying your phone. I'm 39 weeks pregnant here, and these shorts, even though it keeps everything nice and firm, they are not overly tight, especially not at the top, which was so important to me. And they're great because they match with everything. You get two in a pack, and I definitely couldn't have lived without these maternity shorts throughout my pregnancy. So if you're looking for some comfy shorts to wear during your pregnancy that are going to go over your belly and keep everything nice and tight, definitely check out these maternity biker shorts from Enerful. You won't regret getting them. They'll be a great investment for your whole pregnancy, and that's my point of view.